Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome to this episode of What the Heck Is, a Learning with BrainSell video series where we tackle the tough questions and sometimes not so tough questions about running your business. And today I asked my colleague Kevin Cook to join us. Hi Kevin.
Hello. Hi.
And I asked Kevin to join us to explain a technology that isn't necessarily new, but it's really having a moment right now. So Kevin, help us out. What the heck is robotics process automation?
Robotic process automation. You may have heard of RPA. That acronym is being thrown around all over the place. But it's a bunch of software that does things that you might do that are kind of tedious or repetitive, or maybe things you can't do because they're kind of tough, but a robot can do it for you. Think of this. Imagine R2D2 or C3PO sitting in your computer desk in your cubicle in front of your computer doing something for you. It's doing that task that you would normally just do repetitively, or it may take you a couple hours to do. R2D2 can do it faster.
That sounds pretty cool. So what benefits can companies realize from using RPA?
It's a good question. There's quite a few. Some companies have customers who just do a lot, or users who do a lot of repetitive stuff and waste time.
Yeah.
I mean, they have to do it. It has to get done. But if a robot does it, those employees can do other things, more important things. Other companies use RPA when they're trying to connect to an old computer system that doesn't have a good way to programmatically connect. So the robot can connect in front of a computer, and they don't have to write code to make those two computer systems talk.
Right. So give us an example of a company that's used RPA successfully.
Yeah, now this is really great. There was one company we were working with that had multiple computer systems, and they had employees who were cutting and pasting information from one system to another system to a third system. There are three systems. Those systems didn't talk to each other. Well, they did the analysis of the time spent by those employees. They looked at the average rate the employee gets paid, the time the employee pays, or the time the employee takes to cut and paste, and they estimated more than $250,000 in wasted time.
Wow.
A robot could do that in an hour.
Wow.
And they didn't have to write any interfaces, because the robot would do it on a desktop machine just like the human would, but it did it in an hour instead of $250,000.
Right. So companies are saving time, they're saving money, it frees up their employees to spend time on more strategic
Much more important
efforts
stuff.
that contribute to the bottom line.
Think about cutting and pasting. Is that important? No, but other stuff is.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Kevin, for joining us.
Sure.
That was great. And thank you, everyone. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.